Hey everybody, so I just wanted to give a little bit further instructions here on the close reading assignment. Goats can distinguish emotions, that article. So this is another Newsella article, so you just click the link here. Again, this is the link for the English version, or if you want the Spanish version, that is the second link here. So you'll click into that, it takes you right to the Newsella link, so just log in using your school email and you should be able to read the full article. So this one is goats can distinguish emotions from each other's calls, study says. So it's talking about goats hearing vocalizations and being able to interpret what is being emotionally communicated in that sense. So here are the questions that I'm going to be asking about the article that I want you to consider. So the study says goats show evidence of emotional cognition, which is being able to interpret the feelings of other goats. Why would this be important for a herd animal like goats? So think about why do those two things correlate, emotional cognition and being in a herd. Number 2, the study measured sounds of goats getting food for happy calls and the sounds of goats seeing other goats getting food for sad calls. So they came up with two different scenarios for indicating happy and sad. If you were part of the study, what types of situations would you set up to get sounds to measure the following emotions? So think about these three: fear, anger, and disgust, and think about how would you set it up to record goat sounds to get these types of emotions being communicated: fear, anger, and disgust. For number 3 here, the article says that the study might change how livestock are housed. So housing means the types and sizes of buildings and the fields that these animals are kept in. What do you think would be a change that could happen in how livestock are housed as a result of this study? Number 4, the article mentions that the goats may be showing signs of empathy, and that empathy is a mammalian trait. Why does it make sense for mammals to exhibit empathy based on what you know about mammal parents? So again, think about mammals and what they do as far as interacting with their young, why empathy would make sense for mammals. And then finally, number 5, if you wanted to do this same experiment with a different animal, what animal would you pick? Think of an animal that would be likely to understand the emotions of other members of its species and have noises for those emotions. So again, they had to record sounds to go through this particular test, so you'll want to pick a similar type of animal. So again, I hope that this one makes sense. If you do have any problems with this assignment, please feel free to call me, email me, or you can come into our science department office hours on Zoom every Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m.